All right, guys, we are out in the field with a Claas 760 Lexion combine. This is still painted the Cat colors. It's one of the older models, so it's exciting to see. But what's really neat about this farm is that they're also running other Cat Challenger tractors. They've got an MT series Cat Challenger that's pulling a planter planting double crop soybeans into this field. And then they've also got a Cat Challenger 65 that's running the Kinze grain cart. So this is an awesome farm. I love seeing this Cat equipment. So let's go check it out. All right, these guys are out here harvesting wheat, and you can see wheat is a tall crop with, you got the stem, which is the straw, and then what you're harvesting is just the small grain at the top. And the combine just kind of works all that wheat out of there, and you're just left with all these grains of wheat, and that's what they're harvesting. That's what goes in the bin. And wheat harvest is kind of a lower yielding crop, so you don't really need a lot of the grain cart to be here 24/7. It's really just every so often they need to unload. It's not like corn where you're unloading every 2 minutes. This farm is located in northwest Ohio, and a real common practice out here is what's called double cropping soybeans. So after the winter wheat is harvested in early July, they'll come in with their Cat MT755B, pulling a John Deere air seeder, and they will plant a crop of soybeans that will then be harvested later in the fall. The winter wheat is harvested early enough that it gives the soybeans just enough time to get a full growing season in, and it's great for the farms because they get 2 crops off the same land in a year, and it makes it a lot more profitable for them. I hope you've enjoyed being out in the field with these Cat Challenger tractors working on harvesting wheat and planting soybeans. If you love seeing tractors like this in action, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.